Hey gang, Amy here. Welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. This is all places that you can find me on social media. Please follow me. Anyway, we've got a little bargain bin beauty bonanza here because if you remember in April, Target had like a gazillion boxes, and now they still have some of the April ones in the store even though it's July, so they're selling them for like $3 each. So I picked up the other two. So I literally have every single April box now, only I paid $3 for two of them. And this is one of them. This is Bloom Into Beauty. Beauty 101, when the season changes, your routine should too. So this is to help bring your regimen into full bloom. So let's get into the product. Hey, April in-store box. Bloom Into Beauty. So, let's see what we got here. So we have native coconut and vanilla natural deodorant, which it smells great. It's coconut. However, you have to, like, the natural deodorants, they're all great for when it's like 60 to 80 degrees. Don't try this like if it's like 95, like I think it is outside right now, because you're going to be reapplying it like literally every 30 minutes. That's just my personal opinion about natural deodorants, but hey, you might have your own. And then we have a Miss Spa Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. And it's got natural aloe and replenishes even the driest skin. So here's a little tip. Don't wash your face after the mask. Take the moisturizer and rub it in. And then you've got like a deep moisturizer there. Then we have Up For probiotic and prebiotic gummies. Vitamins, yes. Let's see. Berry flavored gummies include a combination of selectively chosen probiotic strains, prebiotic inulin. What is inulin? And vitamin C to support your overall health. Well, who doesn't need some vitamins during the summer? Then finally we have, oh my gosh, I love this. This is so great. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. Oh my gosh. Now, if you can handle it, and you should be able to because it's summer, put it on your hair, deep condition it, and then wash it, rinse it out with like cooler water, like cold water. Oh my gosh, your hair is going to be so smooth. I did not use it on this, but yeah, your hair is going to be so smooth. It's so awesome, I mean. And I like playing with the pack because it's like squishy. Anyway, that is that April Bloom Into Beauty box that is now $3 if you can still find it in your Target. Anywhere from like 3 to 4. I've seen some places where it's like a little more, but usually they'll price match. So take the little cartwheel thing and then scan the back and see what comes up, because they'll price match. Anyway, that's my little trick. Follow me. Until next time, stay beautiful.